Breaking news, everybody. We might have a hurricane that will hit the East Coast. But the key word here is it might hit the East Coast. Whether that happens or not remains to be seen. But we are going to take a look at the latest GFS model and see what that has to say. So we're going to take a look at our 1,500 millibar thickness, and we're going to fast forward this until it really gets to the nitty gritty of the situation, which will be right here, August 19th of 2025. So again, very strong system, 943 millibar low pressure center. So it's getting to the level that Sandy had at its peak. Keyword getting there, it's not there yet. I mean, Sandy was 930 millibars at its core peak, I believe, but that's not important. What's important is that this hurricane comes very close, right here, right there, right here. That's how close it gets to New York City. Will it hit New York City? Time will tell. But again, it's still August 21st, so it's still, about 8 days away. It could change. All we need is a little bit of strength from this trough there in the eastern Canada region. So that's really going to be the upper level feature, the air mass that we're going to be looking at to see whether this hurricane can hit the East Coast. Now, it's not like I'm rooting it for hit the East Coast, but I'm just giving you the why behind the what, the facts. So, but anyways, this computer model, has it basically curving west and recurving east. But notice here, it almost wants to not recurve, which is to me indicating that the model's trying to hint at a more nearer path to the East Coast. So again, time will tell with this, but we're going to take a look at a few other computer models and what that says for this storm system. So let's take a look at our European model. We are going to go to 0Z, which is our latest run. See what this has for the storm. So again, here's the storm, August 18th, right there by the Caribbean. Has it going northwest very slowly by hour 156, by hour 168, 180, 192, and then here's where it diverts, hour 204. So August 21st, the hurricane on both models, the GFS and the European, seems to be heading out to sea. So I'm kind of looking for an outlier model to see if any models do have this somewhat close to the USA. Let's take a look at that, and let's take a look at our CANCIPS model, and we're going to take a look at our pressure, oh, that's not what we wanted, the seasonal model. We want our, let's do the UK, no, the Canadian. See what the Canadian has. I'm going to take a look at our pressures again. So this would show you the hurricane. So we're going to take a look at that. I'm going to zoom in by here. So this would be August 16th, August 17th. Here we go. So here's the Canadian model with this hurricane, and this too has it offshore. Now I'll leave you with this. Most of the models we looked at have, well, all three of them have the hurricane moving offshore. But the dynamics are there. Essentially, the overall pattern in the atmosphere is there in terms of the macro level. If you look at it at a micro level, yeah, we have three computer models taking it offshore, at the macro level where we have a big trough in the Canadian region and we have a trough coming in from the Atlantic Ocean. Essentially, like attracts like in terms of 500 millibar height pattern. So if we can just get those to squeeze together, we might be able to see a hurricane make landfall on the East Coast. So again, the synoptics are there. The overall larger pattern scale is there, but question is, will the models continue to bring it out to sea, or will they make nearer to an East Coast hit? Much more to come. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more long-range weather content.